Hello students, let's do the exercise of chapter 5 verbs. Section 1. Read the following sentences taken from A.2 Limits of the Mind unit where there's a will of my English reader. Eklavya saw beautiful chariots. He saw Drona. Eklavya carved a statue of Drona. So there are three sentences. In these sentences, saw and carved are the verbs. So let's answer these questions with the help of given sentences. What did Eklavya see? So Eklavya saw beautiful chariots. You will write Eklavya saw beautiful chariots. Whom did he see? He saw Drona. You will write here he saw Drona. Next question is, what did Eklavya carve? So Eklavya carved a statue of Drona. You will write this sentence here. So these are the answers, and saw and carved. These are verbs. So what are verbs? Verbs are the action words. Action words means the word which tells about any action in the sentences are called verbs. Now worksheet 1. On the basis of the statements given below, answer the questions that follow. There are some sentences written here. My brother broke the flower vase. So, broke. The player kicked the football. Kicked. These two are verbs. Sagarika plucked the flowers. The sun gives heat and light. Rana loves cars. I eat fish. My teacher helps me. Pollution harms human beings. So there are some questions and we have to find out the answers from these sentences. So first question is, what did my brother break? So their answer is already written, the flower vase. What did the player kick? The football. What did Sagarika pluck? The flowers. What does the sun give? Heat and light. What does Rana love? The cars. What do I eat? The fish. Whom does my teacher help? Me. Whom does pollution harm? Human beings. Now section 2. Read these sentences that are also taken from A.2 Limits of the Mind unit where there's a will of my English reader. Underline the action words in these sentences. First sentence is, an old man with snowy white hair came out. So verb will be came. The practice ended. Eklavya went up to Drona with folded hands. Went. So all these are verbs. Now worksheet 2. Complete the following sentences using one word only. The dog barks. My brother danced well. The birds fly. The boys entered quietly. The guests came at 5 p.m. The hungry lion hunts. So, do you notice any difference in the verbs in section 1 and those in section 2? So, these are intransitive verbs, and in section 1 are transitive verbs. Now worksheet 3. Complete the following sentences by selecting a word from the 8 box given below. The first one is done for you. Now help box is works, heard, goes, eats, enjoyed, shouted, love, cooks, gone, sleep. So first is Ramu eats very often. This is intransitive verb. Mother, my mother cooks well. Vineet enjoyed the movie. She has gone to school. Her father works in a factory. The girls shouted loudly, I usually sleep late. I love to dance. They heard her song. Shruti goes for a walk every morning. Rest of the worksheets will be done in next video. Thank you.